everyone. Today, let us learn one of the important and basic unit of chemistry, that is structure of atom. Now, what is an atom? An atom is the smallest particle of the matter which takes part in chemical reaction and which is the basic unit of the matter. To understand the size of the matter, let's consider matter as a whole as a big part in which the molecules are made up of one or same type of elements. When these elements are broken down, they form the smallest particles which cannot be further divided physically or by chemically. Those are known as atoms. Before going to the detailed structure of atom, let's study about the history of atom. When Greek philosopher Democritus first gave about the atomic theory, he said matter can be divided into smallest particles. Those were known as atoms. Later on, around 600 BC, Indian philosopher Maharishi Kanada told that the smallest particle was named as Paramanu. In 1913, Niels Bohr gave the detailed structure of atoms in the atomic model, where it is popularly known as Bohr's atomic model, where he gave the movement of the electron, how electron moves inside the atom in a definite orbital. Now, let's study the structure of atoms. When we take a closer look of the atom, we see that an atomic orbital and a nucleus, where electron is revolving around the nucleus. Protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus. These electrons will revolve in a specific movement which is known as atomic orbital. They revolve such that they will not collide with the nucleus. When atoms are broken down, they are divided into subatomic particles. In which protons are positively charged particle which is present inside the nucleus. The second one is neutron. As the name suggests, neutron is neutral particle which is also present inside the nucleus along with protons. Protons and neutrons together called as nucleons. The third one is the electron, which is negatively charged particle. These are electrons, these are revolving around the nucleus. If we consider this as a nucleus, electrons will be revolving around the nucleus in a specific atomic orbitals. The number of protons and number of electrons should be equal so that the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Now, let us take a simple example of a carbon atom. Carbon is having 6 electrons and 6 protons. That is, its atomic number is 6. How we represent in atomic structure is that if we consider these red dots as protons and these black dots as neutrons, the electrons will be revolving around the nucleus in a specific orbital, and even each electron will be present in a specific shell or subshell, which will be having the space for the specific number of electrons, where it holds in the first orbital it is having only 2, in the second orbital it is having 4 electrons. So the electrons will be revolving around the nucleus in the specific subshells. I hope you understood about the structure of atom in this small video. Thank you.